I'm a huge lover of potatoes, so today I'm going to be showing you a very easy potato breakfast recipe that is very easy and delicious. So I have few ingredients over here which you're going to find listed in the description box. To get started, you're going to place a pan over medium heat and add some cooking oil. And at the same time, I'm going to place a pot with water. Over here I have chopped up my around six large potatoes and cubed into little bite-sized pieces so that it can be easier for me to cook. And also I have some sausages over here, including other recipes. So I'm going to transfer my potatoes in the pot. Make sure the potatoes are fully submerged in the water. Next, I'm going to add in a teaspoon of salt. Boiling the potatoes in cold water, it's going to make the potatoes boil evenly. So I'm going to boil for around 3 minutes. The cooking oil is hot, so I'm going to place in my sausages. I'm shallow frying my sausages, so I'll cook and flip until the sausages have a very nice golden brown color on top and the inside is cooked. Remember, I'm using low flame to cook my sausages, so after around a minute I'm going to flip so that the other side of the sausage can cook. The goal here is to have some lovely golden brown color on the sausages. I love how potatoes are very versatile, so whenever I have some potatoes in the house, I'm going to make something delicious. The sausages are coming along nicely. This is how the sausages are looking like, and I love the golden brown color on top. I'm going to transfer to a paper towel to drain off the excess oil. And my potatoes are ready, so I'm going to turn off the heat and drain off the water. Add in the white part of the green onions. Turn in. And as the onions are cooking, I'm going to chop up my sausages. So I'm going to chop in half, just like that. And then I'm going to chop into bite-sized pieces. This is how the onions are looking after cooking for around a minute, and they're starting to have a nice light golden brown color. So because I don't want the onions to brown too much, I'm going to add in my potatoes, some Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and a tiny pinch of salt to fully season my potatoes. And over medium-low flame, I'm going to toss my potatoes together with the spices and onions. Place back my sausages, which are looking very delicious. And because I've already parboiled the potatoes, it's going to take around 2 to 3 minutes to fully cook the potatoes. And also the potatoes are going to absorb that nice Cajun seasoning together with some black pepper. And I've used minimal spices because it's for breakfast. If you don't have the Cajun seasoning, you can add in some paprika and garlic powder and black pepper, and it's still going to be so delicious. My potatoes are starting to have that nice crispiness. At this point, my potatoes are fully cooked and the sausages are looking absolutely delicious. So I'm going to garnish with the green parts of the onions, with the green parts of the spring onions. Oh, yum. Toss around. So now I'm going to put out the flames and serve my breakfast potatoes. I'm going to taste my breakfast potatoes. Totally worth trying out this breakfast recipe because the potatoes are cooked to perfection, and I love the Cajun seasoning that I added. It has a kick of spiciness, and also the black pepper has some very nice taste. The green onions have added so much flavor to the breakfast potatoes, and the sausages are cooked to perfection. Also, the good thing about the recipe is that you can serve the breakfast potatoes either for brunch or for breakfast.